Hey guys, Zexus here. In today's video, we are going to install Nextgen's crafting script into our FiveM server. This script is packed with advanced feature, unique customization options, and with a sleek and futuristic interface. You are definitely going to love the innovative setup and the uniqueness this script brings to your server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. Before that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. So this is the crafting script which you are going to install into our FiveM server. I'll provide the shop's link in the description below. You can visit here and purchase the script from here. The script will going to cost you around $30. By clicking on here, you can see the preview of the script. Now you just need to click on add to cart and purchase the script. After purchasing the script, you will receive your script in your Keymaster's granted asset section. You just need to click on download to download the script. After downloading it, you just need to extract the file. Now open the file. Now copy both the file from here and paste it into your FiveM resource folder. I'll be pasting it over here, just like this. Now open this Nextgen FiveM_crafting folder. Go to config.lua. In here, you can configure the permission and the work process of the script. Through the first option, we can allow multiple players to access the table at the same time. So I'll be keeping it false. And on the second option, we can make player invincible while using the crafting bench. So I'll be keeping it false. And on the third option, it will remove the blueprint from the player after they use crafting table. So I'll be making it true. And on the fifth option, you can see enable portable bench. By enabling this, you have the item of the table in your inventory and you can place the table whenever and wherever you want. So I'll be making it false. Enable blueprint as an item. I'll be making it true. Now let's scroll down. And in here, as you can see, you can enable Discord logs with the webhook URL if you want. So that's one for the configuration part. If you enable blueprint as an item, then you have to add blueprint in your items.lua. For that, you just need to go to documentation and click on this link. After that, go to configuration, then scroll down a little bit. Now you have to come to setting up blueprints as an item section, then copy this line of code from here, then go to QBCore, shared, then items.lua. Now scroll down at last and paste the line of code over here, just like this. And for the inventory image, you can create the image by yourself. Otherwise, join my Discord for the image and download the image from there. After that, copy the image, go to Cube Inventory, HTML, images, and paste the image over here, just like this. That's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. Okay, we are in our server now. Now you need to type /crafting editor. As you can see, we got a panel over here. Through this panel, we can set up our crafting from the server only. Now you just need to click on locations. So you can see there is a crafting table already created over here. You just need to copy this coordinates from here, teleport yourself over there. Wait for a minute and you can see the crafting table appeared in front of us. You just need to press E over here and you can see some pre-given crafting recipe over here. This all will unlock when you gain a specific level. By clicking on the item, you can see the recipe required to craft the item. If you want to create your own recipe or you want to customize the pre-given recipes, for that, you just need to open the crafting editor. To create new crafting bench, you just need to click on new bench type and give it a name. So I'll be giving a name test. Click on change to change the tables model. We have these kinds of table model over here. So I'll be selecting this one for now. If you want to give a specific category to the table, you can select it from here. Otherwise, if you want to select all the category, you just need to tick over here. And in the access section, you can give the access of the table to the particular job type people. So I'll be selecting civilian for now. If you want, you can select the specific jobs to access the table. So I'll be selecting civilian for now. Then click on create. As you can see over here, we just created a new bench category. To place the bench, you just need to click over here and click on place out. By using this, you can change the position of the table. Press R to make it rotate. So I'll be rotating it over here. Press W and make it forward. Just like this. You can see the controls over here. After setting up the position, you just need to click enter and click on update. Just like this. Wait for a minute. To create new recipe, you just need to go to recipe. You can see the pre-given recipes over here. To update them, you just need to click over here and click on any item you want. So I'll be clicking over here and click on edit to edit the recipe. You can give the name of the item from here. You can give the item's description. you can set the required level to craft this item, and also you can set the required category level as well. From here you can set up the crafting time, which is in seconds. From here we can set up how much XP we get after crafting this item, and these are bad's model code. From here, if you want, you can add blueprints to craft the item. From here we can add the ingredients or the items which are required to craft the items, and in the result section we can add what item we'll get after crafting this item. So this is the process to add a new recipe. To create a category, you just need to click on create category over here and give it a title. So I'll be giving a title of test. If you want, you can add description as well, so I'll be leaving it for now. In here, if you want, you can add image URL, or you can visit this website for the icons. So I'll be copying this icon from here. You just need to copy the set of code and paste it over here and click on create. As you can see, we got our category over here. Now click the category and click on create recipe. Let's give it a title. So I'll be naming it Zexus, and I'll be leaving the description for now. Required level will be 2 and crafting time will be 12 seconds. XP reward will be 2500. You can set as many XP you want. And to get the prop model, we'll be using a website. We'll be using this website for the weapons model. So I'm going to craft this smoke grenade. So I'll be copying this object name from here, and you just need to paste it over here, just like this. If you want, you can adjust the position of the prop, so I'll be leaving it for now. And from here we can add the ingredients. We just need to click on add and click on select item and search for the item to be a recipe. So I'll be searching plastic, click on add, and I'll be adding one more ingredient over here, which will be glass, and the count will be 1. All the items which you are seeing over here are from our items.lua. So if you want to add new items, you can add them from your items.lua. That's it. Now the result will be our smoke grenade. So I'll be searching smoke grenade, click, and now click on create. So that's it to add the item and the category. So now let's craft an item. Let's craft our new item from here. So we'll be crafting some smoke grenade from here. We just need to click on craft. And you can see over here we got a smoke grenade. I didn't got the image of my smoke grenade, that's why it's not showing here. Here you can see we have one more section for blueprints. This is a section of blueprint. If you want, we can create our own blueprint as well. So I'll be giving it a name, and the uses option will be 1. Then click on create. To spawn the blueprint, we just need to type crafting my ID and the blueprint's name, which will be pistol. As you can see over here, we got our blueprint as an item. Let's get one more blueprint, which will our new blueprint, which is test. And over here we got our custom blueprint as well. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. And don't forget to check out the next generation's crafting script. Link will be in the description below. Goodbye.